Hello, kitchen enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for unbiased kitchen gadget reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of cooking convenience with the Belling BEL BEL903MFCBLK double oven. If you're searching for a spacious and wallet-friendly option, stay tuned, this one's right up your alley. Meet the Belling BEL BEL903MFCBLK, an integrated double oven that's all about value without compromise. Whether you're an aspiring chef or just love cooking up a storm, this oven is designed to deliver even cooking with user-friendly manual controls. Don't let its glossy black finish fool you. The Belling BEL BEL903MFCBLK is a budget-friendly powerhouse. This integrated double oven boasts a sophisticated appearance with large windows that could easily pass for a more expensive model. What's interesting is that while it appears as a single unit, it's cleverly split into two separate ovens. Let's delve into the main oven, located at the bottom. With a soft close door and a whopping 72 liters of space, this oven means business. Inside, you'll find 5 shelf supports, providing plenty of flexibility. Though lacking slide-out shelf rails, a minor setback, this oven's manual controls are a breeze to navigate. The options, represented by symbols, might take a bit of getting used to, so keep that manual handy. Adjusting the temperature is a piece of cake with the analog temperature dial. An LED indicator lets you know when your desired temperature is reached. And hey, here's a bonus: a catalytic liner that automatically tackles grease stains. This self-cleaning feature shines brightest at temperatures of 200 degrees Celsius or higher. Now, let's talk about the top oven. With 38 liters of space and 2 shelf supports, it's perfect for smaller portions or utilizing the integrated grill. This oven is designed for simplicity, offering single and dual grill options, along with conventional cooking. Its dedicated temperature dial and LED indicator make cooking a breeze. Belling throws in the essentials: 3 wire shelves compatible with both ovens and a grill pan. Practicality at its finest. Cleaning the oven is made easy with the flip-up glass panels on both doors, ensuring no hidden dirt or crumbs. Now, the fun part: testing this oven's cooking prowess. From chips to ceramic bead heat tests, the Belling BEL BEL903MFCBLK delivered evenly cooked results. It's efficient, too, consuming around 10p per cycle for chips in the top oven and around 16p in the bottom oven. Checking the accuracy of oven temperatures, we found consistent results. Whether you're using the main or top oven, heat distribution is on point. Just remember, using an oven thermometer can give you precision control over your cooking temperatures. Last but not least, grilling tests. The top grill scored high marks, providing even toasting across multiple slices. The bottom grill, however, wasn't as impressive, with uneven results. Despite this, the Belling BEL BEL903MFCBLK is a strong contender for an entry-level double oven. It offers even cooking, a spacious interior, and straightforward usability. While fancier options exist, they come at a higher cost. So, if you're looking for bang for your buck, this is the oven for you. That's a wrap on today's review. If you enjoyed this detailed analysis, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful kitchen gadget reviews. Until next time, happy cooking, and remember, great food starts with the right tools.